In this video, I will show how to buy shares of Oxford Nanopore Technologies PLC, ticker ONT.L. Oxford Nanopore is a company that builds nanopore DNA and RNA sequencing devices and associated consumables listed on LSE PLC under ONT.L. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. Always research and make your own decisions. To trade, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, which usually requires uploading an ID and proof of address, and then add funds to your account before buying. Use the broker's search box and type the ticker ONT.L to locate Oxford Nanopore Technologies, PLC. Verify the listing by checking the market label showing LSE PLC and ensure you select the correct company. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for the stock. Review these details to confirm you have the correct Oxford Nanopore listing before proceeding to buy. Click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you wish to buy and review the order summary carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until trading reopens, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it can complete the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is filled. For convenience, the example broker link is in the description below if you want to visit the platform.